How to log out of all devices in Brawl Stars in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, you have to open Brawl Stars and access Supercell ID, launch the Brawl Stars game and navigate to the in-game settings and look for the Supercell ID option and tap on it. And after that, within the Supercell ID settings, you should find an option to manage connected devices. Tap on this to view a list of devices currently logged into your account, and then look for an option to log out of all devices or a similar wording. Select this option to log out of your account from every device connected to your Supercell ID. And if you are receiving emails about unknown logins, you have to locate the email from Supercell about a new device login, and if the login is not yours, click the option and that says this is not my device, and this will direct you to a page where you can choose to log out of all your accounts from all connected devices. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.